Hello everyone, Solomon here. Welcome to today's YouTube video on how to solve the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix using the cofactor method. So I will advise you to go and see our video on 2 by 2 matrix. Let's say we have this 2 by 2 matrix and it's like that is exactly what we solved there. Then using the cofactor method, what we'll do, first of all, the inverse is written like this, and it is equal to 1 over determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix times the adjoint of A. So that is how to do it. So in order to get the cofactor, first of all, we have done the adjoint. Adjoint is just adjoint A is just the cofactors transpose, like we have done before. Cofactor transpose C11, C12, C21, C22. So if you transpose it, you get the answer. So let us move ahead and do the determinant first. Let's do the determinant first before we do the other one. That A is equal to minus 2, 5, 4, 1. That's the determinant. So it is A11 times A22. That's minus 2 times 1 minus 4 times 5. This times this minus this times this. So you get it minus 2 minus 20 minus 22. So that's our determinant, minus 22. So once we get the adjoint now, we just do the result of the determinant, multiply it with that. So let's now do the cofactor. Remember, the formula for cofactor is Cij is equal to minus 1 I plus j times the minor matrix element Mij. So we have this implies that C11, the first one, this one that will give us this one is minus 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1. The minor matrix is this 1 by 1 matrix. So it is equal to, this is 1 minus 1 squared is 1, so it's 1. C12 is equal to minus 1 times 1 plus 2, 1, 2 times 4. So we'll get it to be minus 4. C21 is minus 1, 2 plus 1. This is C21, so the matrix is 5. That 1 by 1 matrix 5. And it's equal to, this is minus 1 times this minus 5. And the last one, C22 is equal to minus 1, 2 plus 2, 2. So minus 2 is there, minus 2. So it's, this is positive, minus 2. So these are the cofactors now. So we put it there and do the transpose. So add joint A is equal to 1 is 1, 2 is 2 is minus 5. Let me do it that way with red and do the other one with green. 1, 2 is minus 4, and the 2 is minus 2. All transpose. If we transpose it, we will have now this one will not be this way. So we will have 1 minus 5, and this one will be minus 4 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2. So that's the adjoint. Therefore, our inverse is equal to 1 over det. 1 over det, determinant is 22. 1 over minus 22 times these cofactors, transpose. 1 minus 5 minus 4 minus 2. And that is equal to, that's equal to, if you like, minus 1 over 22, 5 over 22, 2 over 11, because 4 divided by this will give us 2 over 11, and the 2 here, 1 over 11, 1 over 11, 1 over 11. So that is the answer. So in order to prove, to know whether we got the answer, if we multiply the inverse, with this the original matrix, we are supposed to get a unit matrix. So proof. So to do it, we can say minus 1 over 22, 5 over 22, 2 over 11, 1 over 11, times the matrix we started with is minus 2, 5, 4, 1. So if we multiply this and multiply this, we will have 2 over 22 plus 20 over 22. If we multiply this and multiply this, we will have minus 5 over 22 plus 5 over 22. If we multiply this and multiply this and add it to that, we will have minus 4 over 11 plus 4 over 11. If we multiply this and multiply this, we will have 10 over 11 plus 1 over 11. So that you see that this 10 is 22 over 22, 1. That is 1. This is 5 over minus 5 plus 5 is 0, 0. Minus 4 minus 4, minus 4 plus 4 is 0. And 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 11, if we do the SCM, will give you 1. So we have gotten the identity matrix, which means that the answer is correct. Another way of finding the inverse of a matrix, if we look at what we have done, is just if we are given that A is equal to minus 2, 5, 4, 1. What we have done to find the adjoint is just to interchange these ones. Interchange this one will come this way, while this one will come this way, and we'll multiply these ones by minus 1. We'll multiply this by minus 1 and multiply this by minus 1. If we do that, this one coming here we have 1, this one coming here we have minus 2, this one minus 5, this one minus 4. So that will give you the adjoint. Remember, that's what we got as the adjoint for the 2 by 2 matrix. So this is the adjoint. Instead of going in a fast exam, you have to know how to do the 2 by 2 matrix. So this is the adjoint, and it's sent in with this. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks. Also like the video. Bye.